All right. Just so you guys know, I'm also streaming simultaneously on the YouTubes. There's, yeah, you can watch on TV and trade. So let's see what this thing can do. Good little move though. That's what we look for there. And this is typically what we look for right here. We look for it to be trending in a certain direction. It's not really a channel. We'll call it more of a rising wedge, slow rising wedge. There you go. What's up, Lolo Rod? We got you, brother. Thanks, Captain. Thank you, sir. I think yesterday all the pressure got to me. Just, you know, the community, family pressure, taking care of my uncle, being everything for everyone. Just, and then just completely destroying my my day and profits, right? But that's okay. That is the market. That's what we play with. So here is RITR, trying to get back to volume weighted average price. Again, if you just draw yourself your trend lines, you'll see what it's doing. You can start from here, take it straight down there. Currently at resistance. As you guys can see there, it's at resistance. The loop from yesterday's starting to move a little bit again. A little slow. So yeah, so RITR probably going to get back to volume weighted average price if we can get through this. You get this little line right here. I hear you, bro. Atomic Wax. Thanks, man. Hey guys, do me a favor. We're having problems with the sharing button. Can you guys make sure it works, please? Just hit that share button. That share button's broken, I guess. I don't know. We gotta make sure it works. Let's see if we can get up to 100,000 likes. Oh, come on. You gotta have high expectations, right? It's the community, or it's the, I guess it's the community you keep. No, it's the, oh, jeez. Company that you keep. There we go. It's the company that you keep. All right, so we'll see if we can get back up to volume weighted average price. It gets volume weighted average price with momentum, then it'll get this 20 cents right up here. And that's that. LGLY still trying here. Let's see if it wants to push up to 850 again. After 850, it keeps this momentum going. 927 will be on the table there on SLGY. All right, call out any tickers. Let me know if you need me to take a look at anything. I'm here for you. All right, can you hear the music? I'm just curious if you guys can hear the music. WYJ. So there you go. It's at volume weighted average price. The target's 452. Once it can get through this 452, breaks through 452. This one's already hit targets from previous day. I think it was when did we put these up? I think a few days ago, maybe. Yeah, nice double bottom off of the 5-minute chart here. Yeah, so currently, I mean, let's see if we can get this this 480? Yeah, 480. Let's see 480 hit. That's your next target, breaks 480. You have a possibility about 532. Alright, look at that. She's moving. She's moving and grooving.
A woman was a panic about to go insane, trying to get the workers out the way of the train. Engineer blowing the whistle long and long. Can't stop the
No,
train,
can't hear it. Damn, man. It's annoying. Can you guys... How about now? Can you guys hear me okay? And the music? What's up, Tanmaster? Debbie, yes. You can hear the music now? Morning, Tanmaster. I'm better today. I'm better today. WETO means moves again. Oh, in the long run. I thought the law in the long run. Is WETO making another push? Keeps this momentum, breaks through $29. That's the first target. 29 bucks right here. 29. That is your first target on WETO. Currently needs to hold. What is that? 26.88. Alright, 26.88. That's what it needs to hold. That's your support. Alright. Keeps on moving like this. We're gonna get there. We'll get there, no problem. If it keeps moving, keeps pumping volume like it is right now. It's good volume. 63,000 on the previous candle. It's a 5-minute chart. Not bad. Alright, so I guess we'll just start all over with the music because you guys can hear all the other good stuff. A little bit of Marvin Gaye and Tammy Terrell. Oh yeah. Ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. No matter where you are, no matter how far away, baby. All right, so there's your target. There's your support. Hits 29.29. After 29.29, you're going to be looking for about 30. Well, let's say 31. 31. I guess 31.21 sounds pretty good to me. So 31.21. So there's target 2. Gets through all that. You got 33.53. And then after that, you've got this little guy right up here. This is extended target. Alright, that's what you got. So just broke through the support a little bit there on a 5-minute chart. You want to wait. Okay, now I've been fucking up the past couple days because I've been doing one thing wrong. What's up, Night Owl? Good morning. I've been doing one thing wrong. I've been doing I haven't been waiting for the actual candle to close. My patience has been very thin, and I hope you guys can understand that, you know, when you do this kind of stuff in a community and you put out, you know, you call out tickers and you do all this stuff and you got your own shit to worry about, it just all starts to compact. It just compacts. And then it really does. It fucks you up for a minute. Mr. J-Rock, please look at CLSK, Clean Spark. I got it in 1250, gotta run to 20. Okay, I'll look at Clean Spark. CLSK. So here's CLSK. Alright, it's got a little triple-headed monster here. A little 1, 2, 3. This is a 5-minute chart. So probably gonna pull back to volume weighted average price about 12.16. If you notice, it's been respecting volume weighted average price. It is a steady uptrend, so that's cool. Guys, please, please, please share, like, and follow. All right, look at this. Nice little uptrend since yesterday's dump. Currently, it's above yesterday's peak. So that's awesome. So 1220 is where it's at right now. No big deal. Needs to break 1235. Where's my lines? There it is. Needs to break 1235. So red lines with the break. Support. We'll take support down to 1207. That is your support. Fuck it, just call it 12 bucks. Just call it 12 bucks your support. It just makes it easier. There's your support. Alright, TP1 on this thing. It breaks 1235. You're going to be looking at about 1257. Alright, keep an eye on that volume. This is a 247 million float. Volume is only 464,000. Its average volume is 22 million, so it's super low volume right now. This isn't even it's not even a contender for its regular trading. All right, so your first target's 1257. If it can get through that, you're probably gonna have some headaches right around 1272. Alright, so there's your next target after that. It breaks that. There's a good possibility that you'll see 1290. Say 1297, something like that. 1294. Alright, so there's your targets on CLSK. But again, you got it. You gotta must gotta hold 12. If it breaks through volume weighted average price, which as you can see, it's just right above there. It breaks through that, you got this gap in here on the 1 minute. It might fill, and then you got your 12 bucks. Has to hold it. All right. Anyways, let's go. Are you going, Mr. J? Are you looking for swing trade? This is like, yeah, swing trade. This is probably gonna be. This probably work out maybe midweek. Midweek, you probably see 1294. You just got to make sure you're looking at the financials. If you're looking for swings, you got to look at financials. You got to look what they got coming up. All right, let's look back at WTO. Still plugging TP1. Come on, baby. TP1 hit. TP2 almost. You're at 3092 on TP2 on WETO. Come on, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sharing is caring. You can never assume, Mr. J. You know what assuming does, right? Makes the ass out of you and me. Come on, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. 22 of you in here. We're gonna have to start making this pay to play kind of thing. Call out tickers. I'll go ahead and give you targets. That's how it works. Come on, here comes 31. Don't like this candle, but as long as it can get above this 3096, I don't see a problem with this 3121. And then 3353. I don't see any problems with that. Draw yourself your lines. You know, just so you know you're being safe. Trend lines do help, I'm telling you. They do help. If I would follow my rules a little bit better, I would be a better trader. But I'm a little shitty when it comes to following my rules. It's got way too much shit in my head. Who cares, right? Who cares, Jay? Just fucking trade. Relax. Just relax. There's 31. There's 31 right there, guys. That's better. That looks better. That looks better. There we go. Alright, that's a 5 minute there. There we go. 31.99. Targets acquired. We got one more coming in here. 33.53. Just blast right through that. Come on now. Come on. There's 32. There's 32.50. Come on, a little more. We got this. We got this, bacon. Let's go, baby. Yep, do what I say, not as I do. 100% atomic wax. There's 33. Come on, 33.53. Let's go. Let's go. We need 53 more pennies on this one. We got that target on WETO. Quick bounce. Let's go. Come on, quick. Let's go. There we go. 33.14, 33.36. There you go. Come on now. What am I saying? Right? All we need is a few more pennies. Look at that. 33.40. Guys, literally, you guys saw me put these targets on the line. You saw me put the targets there. You know I know how to read fucking charts. 20 people in here to see the amazing penny stock charter guy. What's up, Abu Adam? All right, extended target is 39.81. Let's go. Fuck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I gotta figure out how to share all these, and I mean, I don't know. Yeah, Captain, there you go. Get excited. Hell yeah. Let's go. Come on, get that extended target real quick. Boom, right? That's what we're looking for. Come on now. Come on now. On the low one. I fought the low and the low one. Alright, guys. Well, that was pretty easy. You guys saw me put all these targets on here. You saw me put the support there, 26.88. Yeah, 1, 29.29. Then you got 2, then you got 3, and boom, here comes the extended target. All right, now this thing gets really hairy. This thing starts ripping. I mean, no joke, like ripping. Because right now it's only 493,000 shares traded. It does 2.05 million in a day, and its floats 1.06 million. So. Did you give levels on SGLY? I had to walk away for a sec. Tan Master, yes I did. I put them in the Discord. The levels were on the Discord. I alerted it at 3:05 in the morning. So yeah. Let's see. Where is SGLY? Where is SGLY right now? It is pushing that bottom support. Look at that. Pushing that bottom support. Come on, baby. So now, remember, this was resistance, right? So now it's support. There's some support there. This is your supporting trend line. This is your little bottom doohickey here. That's your supporting trend line. Just listen, and you will plainly see. There's your top support. Good little bounce, nice little doji. Let's see if this wants to give you a confirmation here. Needs to close. This is a 1 minute chart, so it needs to close above this candle right here. Looks good so far. Let's go. Are we gonna get a three line strike here? Oh, nice little bounce, SGLY. Good job. WETO back to 32 bucks. Let's go. Hit 34.66. Can you fucking believe that? Come on now. Let's go, man. I don't know. I might be trying too hard. Maybe I should just do this by myself. Wait in here. Yes, good. And you will see. And as life travels on. All right.
Just follow steps 1, 2, and 3. Step 1,
Come on now, let's go.
you find a girl you love. Step 2, she falls in love with you. When you move in right up close to me, that's when I get the shakes all over me. Quivers down the backbone, like the shakes down the knee bone. Yeah, the tremors in the
All right, let me get back to comments here. What do we got? Hey, what's up, the one squid? Bum, bum, bum. Look at WETO. Nice little double top here. So just be careful. It might come back down to volume weighted average price if it doesn't stop at 30.72. 30.72 right there. Look at that though. See, this makes me feel good when I put out a target and it literally taps it and gets stuck there. That makes me happy because that means I called it right. When you guys are charting, this is what you got to do. You got to do this. When you chart and it comes close, like it literally taps it and gets stuck there, that means you've got a correct level. That means you literally nailed that level. Let's go, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. We're at 2.8 on the likes. It's 4:25 a.m. here. Is it too late for Wedo? I just saw this. Tom, it's currently at this point, I'd wait, man. I'd wait. I can't tell you buy, sell, or hold. Can't tell you any of that, but I can tell you the level right now is showing me that this thing's looking like it wants to reverse a little bit. So you got to wait for pullbacks. You don't want to just jump into stuff. Nice analysis. Thank you, Rumion. All right. Yeah, see, that's a double top right there for you. And you see how these things flatlined right here? Yeah, you want it to regain some momentum here. Look at your MACD. Now remember, all indicators are delayed. So this is delayed. This isn't like reading this right now. All right? So you're looking for a break. There you go. Here comes the new high. You're looking for a break of that fucking top right there, where it's at right there. Momentum's picking up, volume's picking up. There's your new high. Yep. Better safe than sorry, guys. Just saying. Trust me, I fuck around a lot. I've shown you guys. There's only one Jrockstock and he's the best. Thank you. I appreciate that. That makes me feel better. Come on now. You're gonna get 39. You're gonna push real hard. You're gonna be good for daddy. 16,000 shares so far, 35.52. AVGO. I don't know how to read your name, but okay. Let's take a look. AVGO. Oh. All right, AVGO. That's a little expensive, but okay. We'll play it. 364. That's the bottom here. It's not the bottom, but that's the bottom there. Here's your 30-minute chart. Yeah, see, this thing is in a consistent downtrend. This is a no bueno chart. This is a no bueno chart. Very easy to tell. This thing is just downtrend. Sure, can you catch a quick little reversal here? You can, but why play a downtrend? You see that? There's nothing telling me this thing is ready to reverse. It just keeps making new lows. New low. You look at a 4-hour chart. What's it doing? Oh, God. All right. So on a 4-hour chart, 356 is your low. That's your support. All right. And this thing, yeah, no, this looks like just a dead cat bounce, basically. You know? Yeah, it's not looking good. So what I would be looking for, let's do this. Since we're on a 4-hour, and this is a big boy. It's expansive. So this is how you do these. All right. So you can see I've got my 4-hour. I'm gonna line it up even better here. There you go. It hit this peak here, hit that right there. All right, now what? Now it's not hitting that. So what you got to do is you got to do a top down. This is a top down analysis right here. So you click that, your second peak. All right, there you go. And you go there. There's a girl named Tori Trades. She is fantastic when it comes to just doing these types of levels. She does futures. I don't do futures. Charting is charting. That's all it is. Charting is charting. So that's what you got. So this is your resistance right now. All right, this bottom line right here, that's your resistance. It breaks through that. Don't get too excited because you got this one coming up too. And that's your second resistance right there. All right. Support, you can do the same thing with your support line. Right? You just draw it from here to here. You see that it broke support. It's still on its way down. Look at your MACD. Your MACD has not even taken a breath. Maybe one little tiny breath right here of green. So, yeah, you just gotta wait. Yeah, Tori's cool. Tori's cool. I love her attitude. I love the way she explains stuff too. It's great. Used to follow her a long ass time ago too. I'm glad things are working out for her. Her uncle's awesome. Very smart family. Oh, look at that. Weedo, WETO hit 35 on this last push, 35.52. So now you still got to be careful, guys. The way this thing's moving, it's already ran. Look at that. You don't want to get caught if this thing rug pulls, right? So what's it keep coming down to? What's it keep coming down to? Right here is your support. 32.51. That's your support right now. If you want to even lower, if you want to, take a little bit more risk, would be right here. This is your support now. Lonely time. And we started all the way down here. So we can go ahead and turn this gray now because we don't need that anymore. Turn that gray. There we go. Look at that. All right, so all we got is a few more pennies to get to that. A few more pennies. Oh man, loop. Yeah, okay. What up, two down? Loop's having a rough time. LOOP. So it broke through VWAP and then got sucked right back down. These were gaps that it filled the other day. As you can see, we got those gaps full. The AOS. Oh, Black Betty. Alright, so this was yesterday's target. Yesterday's target didn't come close. This is a gap. We were looking for it to fill. Filled it back here. God, when did we look at this? Was this yesterday? Yesterday was a rough day for me, so I don't know. Let's see. Oh no, VIVI that was yesterday. That's right. VIVI was it. Bam-a-lam. Oh, Black Betty. Bam-a-lam. Bam-a-lam. Alright, so let's see. We got to put some new targets on here. This was a gap filled, so we don't have that gap anymore. We'll just take this and put that right here. 92 cents. That's your target. As TP1. All right, if you're getting the watch list, then look at the watch list for targets on the other stocks. Check the watch list before you ask me for targets, because I don't put targets on the live stream if it's on the watch list, for the most part. Sometimes I get too into it and I just forget what I put up there. All right, so it's at 63 right now. Currently, it's pushing this resistance right here. Let's see, can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. Right here. Pushing that resistance right there on a 30-minute. So, 62 breaks 71. We should have that 92 if it can break 71 with good momentum. That's far away, but we're trying. I gotta pay a lot of attention. Hey, you're watching from Thailand. Awesome, man. That's awesome. Where's everybody from? Let's go. Throw some comments in the chat here. And keep on sharing, because sharing's caring, mofos. Scotland. Awesome, Jennifer. You play golf? Houston. Oh, we got some family in Galveston. Seattle. Right on. I love your weather. Oh, Black Betty. Bam, 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 Bam. And what did I tell you about WETO? What did I tell you? It's going to pull back. There's your volume weighted average price. It broke support, almost got to volume weighted average price. Let's see if it wants to come back up now. WETO. St. Louis, Atlanta. All right. Nice. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on, get 35 again. Show us that you are switched over from this little downtrend here. Boom, back into another uptrend. Let's go. Now watch if it rejects up here. And be very careful. Currently it's looking like it's rejecting right here. Which if it does, gotta be careful there too, because it could be doing a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern. Which you want nothing, not one little bit. Wow, you make 34,000 FX Gold Trader. Wow, good for you. Message you? Oh man, that's why you're coming on here and trying to get people to switch on over to you, huh? You probably don't even understand what I'm saying, because you probably don't even speak English. Oh man. Seriously. He makes that much money and he needs to come into my live stream to poach my people. Look at that. Good job. Look at that reversal. Look at that. That literally reversed for fucking $4. Oh man. Woo. Come on, new high coming in. New high coming in. Let's go. Do not get stuck there. MACD looks pretty good. Do not get stuck there. Keep on going. Don't get stuck there. We don't want stucky. We want you to go. But again, guys, if you are Weeble comment section are the same, full of bears that can't spell for shit. Santran, XRP. What? Look at that. Told you, new high coming in. 35.90. Let's go. Come on, get that 39.81. Come on. Guys, that 39.81 hits and you guys make a shit ton of money. Whoever makes $1 million, you know what my Cash App is. Oh man. Hey, isn't XRP a meme coin? Or some shit like that? Yeah, we don't talk that on here. You know that if you've been following me, Santran. Yep. Now, some people call it Weedo. I call it Wedo. I had a good name for a landscaping company. It says it's Gringo Landscaping. Gringo, and it's run by a bunch of white guys. Gringo Landscape. Let's go. Oh, God. Almost knocked over my Fresca. All right, let's see. What else we got? What else is moving? So we got Wedo. We got STKH. Man, STKH. There's another one right here. STKH. Come on now. So as you can see, we already have it lined out from previous days. You notice it has some problems right about here. So that's our first target, 476. So technically should be should be 452. Has more problems there. Gets through that and 476. That's your resistance zone. That's your resistant area. It's your resistance area. There's a Gringo Landscape somewhere. Are you kidding me? Somebody else had a great idea? All right, let's go. So there's your targets. You got some resistance right up here. This little white line. Turn it red so you know it's resistance. All right, where's your support? Your support for this is going to be down here. 396. That is your support. Go ahead and clean this up for you guys here. Support resistance TP1 452. Look at that. We're almost there. We at 443 right now. After that, after it hits that, you're going to be your next level is going to be 492. That's your next level there. It gets that, and you got 569 and 607. There's 445 right now. Let's see what this thing's doing close up. It's a young man. Oh, young man. Young man. No zone. Okay. Come on, guys, share the love. Let's go. Share the like, hit the like, the follow, the share. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It hurts so good. All right, here we go. Here comes that first. There it is. First target acquired. Ooh, second target. Real close to being acquired real fast. Let's go, baby. I don't know about you guys, but that was exciting. All right, so that was STKH. So we named that clip STKH. Targets acquired, guys. 2 targets I gave you. Boom, boom. Just like that. Look at that go. Woo! All right, let's see. Look at that. That's TP3 right there. 569. 569, baby. Let's go. BAOS, 58 cents. It hit 63, I believe. No, it hit 66. My bad. All right, 530. So again, 569 is your target on this one. Let's go. If you caught any of that, let me know. Throw some fireballs in the chat. You caught those targets. I just freaking lined it out for you. Literally, what? Not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. And we got first 2 targets acquired. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so excited. I don't know if the bottom of this desk can take it. Oh, just kidding. Gotta keep it dirty. Keep it dirty. Oh, man. Let's go. 443. If you guys haven't been in Jrockstocks yet, go to Jrockstocks. Check it out. That's my website. And if you guys ever question if it's me talking to you through TikTok, through anything, you could always message me on my website. No one else there. It's Target. Target 3 acquired. All right, so extended targets. You got 676. That's your extended target. And then another one right up here. It wants to keep moving. Hey, I'm not gonna slow it down, right? So STKH, fire, guys. It's fire right now. Look at it go. Freaking hit 599. Just wait for a pullback. Don't just go jumping in willy-nilly, guys. Needs a pullback. Look at all this green, right? Needs a pullback. This is a 1 minute chart. Volume is pumping. Let's go. Man, no fireballs in the chat, huh? All right. Well, I understand. And we're at 5,000 likes. Okay. All right. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. I need more coffee. Huh. This excitement. Come on now. Here we go. Break 6. You're going to get it? Ooh, chew down. All right, let's see. Pull back to volume weighted average price. Look at that right there. VWAP. It just tapped VWAP. Let's see. Is it going to get lower? Is it going to break VWAP and go to 491? Barracuda. Wow, 49 people in here. One person threw fireballs in the chat. Woo! All right, let's see. Oh, Night Owl, you didn't catch anything yet. Oh, that's all right. Hey, you guys ready? Anybody ready? Ah, Craig, we don't talk crypto in here. Or PH. PH, we don't talk crypto in here. Yep. Look at this. What did I say? Is it going to tap? Is it going to go back down to the little blue line here? Got to wait for those pullbacks. That was 491, that line. Look at that MACD. MACD's giving you issues. Oh, wow. She's coming down to the blue line down here. Woo. This is why. This is exactly why we don't go chasing. You got a little double top up here at $6. Wonder if it's going to come back down to the resistance. This used to be resistance. Now it was support. So again, let's make that green. Is it coming all the way back down? Oh my God, it's giving away all of its... It's literally giving away all its gains. Youch. It's probably because this PH guy came in here talking about some Solana shit. All right, Night Owl's ready. You guys in the TikTok world, are you guys ready? I'm gonna put a number in the chat. I want to see what the latency is from both of you. All right, American Valley Landscape threw some fireballs up. I think he's ready. Here we go. You ready? You guys ready? Here we go. Let's do 3. He's gonna be first. Oh, 2 down, got it. All right, tick. The tick got it. The tick got it. Night Owl put 4. The TikTok got it. TikTok's faster right now. All right, good to know. 447. Dun, ba, dun, ba, dun, dun. All right, sweet. Easting Lady is in the Discord now. Awesome. We just added a new member to the group. They signed up last night, so they're in the Discord now. That's awesome. Good stuff. Let's keep looking. We got WETO. How's WETO doing now that this thing took a break? WETO pulled back as well. Hit 35.93. Look at this. You guys, seriously, I can't emphasize this enough. You got to pay attention to the top of these candles. All right. Look how flat that is. And this thing moved pretty hard. So you can see that top wick. No wick down at the bottom. Yeah, basically what that means is it opened, shot up for a second, and then the bears dragged it through the mud. And then again, dragged it through the mud. Look where it found support. Found support here. 32.39. Look at that. Barely. 32.50 is where it found support. It looks like on that candle. Yeah, 32.50. 32.50 is your support. This is a 1 minute chart. Now, could this be doing a little double bottom here and moving up? You didn't get a new low there. You didn't get a new low. You still got higher lows. You still got higher lows and higher highs. Still higher highs. So let's keep on looking. Yep, loop still there. Still there, still trying. Let's see. Yeah, loop. Yeah. Oh. Sorry, guys. If you guys aren't catching the watch list, something's wrong. Mitchell favorite stock, Junes. Really? Really? I don't think that's Mitchell's favorite stock, man. Alright, we got BRNX trying right now. Here's BRNX. Only 97,000 shares traded right now, so not yet. Not yet. Not yet would I say this is one of the... Yeah, let's just fucking go... You know, let's go tits up and try to get in this thing. Brenx publishes investor presentation on industrial decarbonization strategy. Okay. Well then. Whoa. I'm talking to my friends all wrong here. Talk to my friend like that again, I'm gonna stab you in the eye with a soldering iron. Oh, hey. Sorry, that's my Christopher Walken impression. I'm losing it, guys. I'm losing my shit. Let's go. Alright. Come on, get back over 491. Get back over 491. Let's see another little run. There's a 1 minute chart. MACD's trying to turn around here. Turn it around. Don't you cry no more. So like I say, I always say this. Alright, you watch your volume weighted average price. The stock goes up and over, comes back down, breaks through, and then it'll get stuck between volume weighted average price and your support. Now in this case, what you could do, I know there's a lot of lines, but this is why you keep your lines on the screen, because you've got your lines already ready for you. Look at this. So you draw yourself your little line here. You can go off that peak to this peak. And then you can go from this peak, or from this valley, from this valley, this low point, to this one. Alright, so now you know you've got your support there. Break through volume weighted average price and you can have another run. Alright. Just watch out that it doesn't get stuck at 537. Gets stuck at 537, it's coming back down. Still battling that volume weighted average price. And get rid of this one for now. STKH, let's go. There you go. All right, we're back over 5. That's a good sign. One minute chart. Let's see. So this is a new peak right here, right? This one right here. You draw yourself a line from there to there. If it can get to the other side, you're good. Your MACD's trying to flip on you, so it's trying to go to the right side, trying to go up. Let's see. I like it. So far, I like it. Let's see if it comes back a little bit. Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide. Oh, look at that. So there you go. Nice, good move. MACD flipped. Little spread there. Let's see if we can get a new high. Notice I'm not chasing today. I'm not chasing today. I got my ass kicked yesterday. And honestly, it wasn't even my fault. It wasn't my fault. I mean, it was, but it wasn't. I got stinking distracted. 37. Alright. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Alright. To me. Pull that back even further here. Oh, dang, it filled me. Uh-oh. Gotta get ready to sell. Just kill the man. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da. Come on back for me. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Come on. Come on, it flipped a little bit. Big breakout. Baloney. Oh, don't do that to me. Come on. Alright, we gotta watch this line. Gotta watch this line right now. I only bought 10 shares, so it's not a big deal. That's why we play soft. We play soft. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's show me another little run here. Get back over VWAP for me. You guys saw I tried to move my my entry lower. It freaking filled me as I was trying to do that. Shit happens. Let's see. Is she gonna come back over VWAP for me? All we're looking for is 538. So 538. That's all we're looking for right now. LOL. Not bad. Not bad. Come on, get up there. I'm sleepy. BRNX, guys. BRNX. Doing good. Did I put a target on BRNX? I think I did. No? Did I? I don't know. Let's see. Nope. I didn't target. I didn't put a target. I called it, but I didn't put a target out. Little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche. I need you fandango. It's lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo. Wait. Did it sell me? Oh, wait. That's the wrong one. STK. STKH. There we go. I was like, wait, what happened? Come on, get up there. Come easy, go. Hey, it's the stock market. Easy come, easy go. Come on, get up there. Let's go. Just needs to break this little area here, a little area of resistance at 520. Bum 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 bum. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Yeah, we took some profit. All right. All right. The way it's looking, it looks like she really does want to get back over this VWAP here. She created her little base. This candle closing higher than this candle is good. This candle needs to close higher than this candle, though. So it's got to push. It's got to push that 569. Now, you guys saw me take profit. Why did I take profit? Right? Why? It's because. That's why. It's because. All right, no. So, you guys got to watch this very closely. Very closely. I'm going to put another line. I know you guys are like, oh, there's too many lines. Why so many lines? This is why. It's because you did this line right here off of this peak. You'll notice that it's pushing resistance. That is a resistance trend line. Currently, it just did a beautiful little pattern here, right? Pushed up, pulled back really hard, pushed up again, pulled back really hard, pushed up again. There's going to be another little pullback, probably back down to volume weighted average price. If this line right here stops it from going up, it's going to pull back. Like I said, probably to volume weighted average price. Now, because you have a different line here, you can now move this line. Whoops. You can move this line over and you can go to this peak or this little valley right here. You can take that over and you can go to that guy. So now you have a better understanding of where your trend line is, right? Look at it. What did I tell you? Look at that. That bounced, came down. Gave you a nasty little candle too. We don't like that candle. Gotta go, fam. Good luck. Take profits. All right, the one squib. We'll see you later, buddy. Thanks for hanging out. How many likes we got? Where are we at? We're at 5,400. Oh, man. Dang. Dang, man. Jenga. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get 569. Come on. So I like that it came through. It's got to close above this trend line, though. That's not breaking the trend line. That is wicking above it. And wicking is not breaking. What's up, Dark Knight? It's been a while. How you doing, Dark Knight? Let's go. Let's do it. How's Wedo doing? Wedo still coming down, 29 bucks. Loop is just having problems. It's having problems getting over that 115, 119. All right, we're watching STKH right now. How's SGLY doing? 652, 653. All right. RNTX is moving around right now. Just hit 92 cents, back down to 82 cents. Oh, would you look at that? It's 501. I gots to go. I gots to go on the Discord right now. If you guys want to come join me, all you got to do is go here. I show you. If you guys want to join me on the Discord, then all you got to do is come on over to this little guy right here. Okay, this is my website, jrockstocks.com. If you don't know anything about it, read the reviews. Okay, read the reviews. All right, this little video explains to you who I am, what I do. All right, track record will show you how I've done, how many tickers I've called out last week, what the top runners were. That's on the Discord. All right, August 10th through the 14th. And then here's my Weeble accuracy on calling out prediction, which direction it's going. And then here's my watch list. There's TP1 accuracy. We got 66% accuracy. FGI was our top runner, 259%. And these are the receipts. These are all the tickers I called out last week on the watch list. Okay, you got the date, you got the tickers, you got your entry, your stop, your TP1, 2, and 3, and your percentage gain over here. That's how it works, all right? So right now, we're doing all right. We're doing okay. This week's been pretty good on the watch list. All right. So anyways, if you want to get in there, if you want to get in the Discord, if you want to get in the watch list, there's only one price. It's $49.99. You get full access. That's it. I stopped dicking around. This used to be $99.99. I said, fuck it. I've been doing this for 2 years. Let's go and help out here. Dark Knight, thank you for the hearts, me. Appreciate you. All right, guys, here's what the watch list looks like. All right, I'm not going to show you today's. I'll show you yesterday's. August 19th. There's 1 day ago this thing was posted. There's August 19th. There's BIVI. All right, so that might actually still work out. Let's see. We got TP1 165. Where did BIVI get to today? I know it was moving. I don't see it on there anymore, so maybe it didn't come to fruition again. SLE was on there. IPST was on there. TNON, guys. TNON was at 920, 975. Do you guys know where TNON ran to? Yeah, TNON ran to like $17 and change yesterday. Yeah, so that's pretty good increase there. MSS, it did hit 280. It actually hit 312. Almost got that third target. But unfortunately, I was not in a good spot on that. I was not in a good spot. And the shit part about it, here's the shit part about it. Yeah, I set my stop. I set my take profit. I just didn't freaking confirm the order. So there you go. I got screwed. But there you go. Okay, guys, that's where you go. You go to jrockstocks.com. Also, you get this thing called Trap Detector, Day Trade Analyzer. Good information. Okay, it is beta version still. I'm still working out the kinks. All right, you type in a ticker here. So let's type in STKH just for shits and giggles here. Trap Detector. Oh, nuclear gate. So it's got some shit in the background that you probably haven't checked, because you probably saw pretty green candles and said, cool, I'm jumping in, right? So no reverse split language, probably because they just did one not long ago, I'm assuming, because it's only a 918 float. Can't remember. But here's all the information you can find on it right here. You've got a F3. All right, foreign company, F3. You got 817. That's when they did this registration statement. You got to open that to see what that means. Report of foreign private issuer, 6Ks. Oh, and they've got an effect. If you don't know what an effect is, well, you can take a look. Go to my profile on TikTok here. You can take a look at it yourself. But I'm going to go over to the Discord, guys. Thanks for hanging out. We got up to 6,300 likes, and that's it. But look how these lines worked. Look at that. So it was resistance. Now it's support, and now it's breaking through support back to volume weighted average price, which is 506. There it is right there, 506. All right, guys. Again, I'll try to come on later today. We'll see how my day goes. All right, peace out. All right. Thank you, Night Owl. Thank you, Tan Master, for holding down the fort on YouTube. You guys are awesome. We'll try to make that grow somehow. I don't know how. It would be great to see more comments, more activity in there. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Thank you. See you on the Discord.